Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Concept Cars. If you're passionate about cutting-edge automotive design and the latest car innovations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting: the 2025 Lincoln Aviator and its stunning new Jet Appearance Package. Now let me tell you, this isn't just a minor facelift. Lincoln has gone all in on luxury and bold design. The Aviator now features a sleeker, more aggressive front grille and refreshed headlights that give it an even more commanding presence on the road. But the real showstopper? The Jet Appearance Package. This package brings a whole new level of sophistication and style. We're talking about blacked-out accents across the exterior. Grille inserts, emblems, window trims, and even roof rails, all finished in deep, glossy black. And those wheels? Massive 22-inch ebony black alloys on the Black Label edition. Just imagine this beast rolling down the street. Pure elegance and power. But it doesn't stop there. Lincoln's also offering body-colored lower bumpers and door moldings which seamlessly blend into the design, creating a clean and modern aesthetic. Plus, there are two fresh colors joining the lineup: crystal white and whisper blue, which look absolutely stunning when paired with those black accents. By the way, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the 2025 Lincoln Aviator, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. What do you think about the new design? Would you go for the Jet Appearance Package? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now back to the details. Inside, you'll find Lincoln's luxury game stronger than ever. There's a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen with the latest tech features, plush seating, and all the high-end materials you'd expect from a brand that defines American luxury. And let's not forget about the Black Label Special Edition. This version takes exclusivity up a notch, with a black painted roof and adaptive suspension for an even smoother ride. So what's the price for all this luxury? The Jet Appearance Package starts at $3,000. And if you want the ultimate luxury experience, the Black Label Special Edition will set you back $7,250. That's all for today's look at the 2025 Lincoln Aviator. If you're as excited about this luxury SUV as I am, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Concept Cars, and ring that bell so you never miss the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.